This is part 3 of the video series. We will start now with the exact doings of the single pages. So we will start with page 1, how to do this exactly. As I said before, we have here the outer shell, and we will attach another piece right here, but first we have to do some work to this red piece first. The measurements of this piece are 13 centimeters in this direction and 21 centimeters in this direction, as you can read here. We will add studs here, and we will add another part around here, but you will see later. Okay, so now you see we have added studs here, and these are 2.5 centimeters from this direction and 2 centimeters from this direction. The distance between this stud and this stud is 8 centimeters. Another thing, these studs, these parts, as you may see, this has to be at least 5 millimeter. So these are too short, which you see here, but in reality we need studs that have at least 5 millimeters length. So, okay. Now we have added the studs, and then we will make a counterpart to this, meaning this part comes here. So this is 2 centimeters broad and 12 centimeters in length, and we will fabricate this now. Okay, so now we have fabricated this piece here with these counterparts of the studs above, so that we can clip this part onto here. If we want to, and we can remove it if we want to, because of the studs. Okay, on to the next part, or I will glue this now into place so that you can remember. Okay, so the next part we will have to add is this plastic flap that I showed you before. Now the flap has the red part here, you see, is 16.3 centimeters and 10.5 centimeters. This should be a little bit more rigid plastic so that I can shove it under a piece of paper and write onto it. And this part here is soft so that you can clap the flap over there. And we will need 2 centimeters clearance, and 1 centimeter we can use to put it on here. The exact position of this piece is 1.5 centimeters downward and 1.25 centimeters into this direction. Okay, I will stop the video and cut this thing out and attach it like it would be in reality. Okay, Lisa, now you can see the flap attached. You see it closes like this, and we have, as I said, about 2 centimeters clearance to the bottom. Okay, and now this whole part will be attached to page 1 as page 1. So this will be right there, as you see. Okay, I will do that now. Okay, Lisa, so now you have seen, you see we have attached this, so we have basically finished page 1. So from the outer shell, this is the front. We open it, we have page 1. So with the snap clamps that we can detach this yellow part here, put a block in of paper and fix the block of paper with this part, and we have this flap which we can put into the block of paper to write something. Okay, so next will be page 2.